Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to disable BattleEye anti-cheat on Rainbow Six Siege. And to do so it's very easy. I will show you two methods. The two of them are very quick and easy, so let's get straight into it. The first one is to go to the BattleEye folder in your game directory and then locate a file called uninstall battleye.bat, which is present in many games. If it exists, simply run it to completely uninstall the BattleEye service. Otherwise, if you have already removed all the game files from your system, you can start a command prompt as administrator and simply enter this command right here, scdelete be service to uninstall BattleEye. So the command is just scdelete be service, which stands for scdelete BattleEye service. And that's it. Now you'll be able to uninstall BattleEye. Now that was the first method, to go into the files and just locate the uninstalling file. Now for the second option is when you launch Rainbow Six Siege on your launcher, like Uplay launcher. So here you will have the properties of the game in the settings, and here you will find the game launch arguments. Here you will just have to type this command right here, be launch this tick be, and then click on save. So this will disable BattleEye before even launching the game, and you will have to do this every time that you reopen the game. So that was it guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.